Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Sweatcoin application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search button and then type in Sweatcoin to begin your search. Once you find the Sweatcoin app, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Sweatcoin app on your device. Just wait until the process is completed, and when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the app. You can also tap on the auto open toggle to automatically open the app once the installation is done. After you open up the application, you have the option to create a new account or log into your existing one to start using the Sweatcoin app on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Sweatcoin application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.